Okay, so what we're doing today is rolled turkey breast. Now you can have this, I have this, well we do have this, you can have this all year round. People just tend to have turkey at Christmas, but it's a great part of the bird, the breast. You can have it in loads of different things. This is really sort of like a two-part video, because what I'm going to do is be cooking this today and smoking it, and then we're going to use the meat, some meat today which I'm going to eat today, but the other meat I'm going to put into a curry, so there will be another video on that to follow this one. So this is not a particularly long video, but we'll just show you the process of doing this. I've got a glove on today. I don't normally use a glove, but I've actually injured my finger, decided to drill through it, so I've got this glove on it, and that will keep that safe. So anyway, let's crack on. So this was from the local butcher's. Now he's put bacon on this, which I don't particularly want, so I want to season it up, but I want to get this bacon off. So that's going to involve cutting this off, cutting the string off, restringing it, I'm just leaving this on so that I can work on that. Right, yeah, so restring it, but get rid of this bacon because I don't need this bacon. I can actually cook it with it, so it's not going to waste. But when I come to put our rub on, I don't want that bacon stopping the rub going on. So I'll get this off, and then we'll crack on with putting our rub on. Right, so now we've got this off. There we go, skin's off now. That's good enough. I'm happy with that. So we'll get our new bit of twine. Under once, under twice. That should pull tight then without slipping. Tie once. You can tie twice. And then we move on to the next part of it. One, two. It's good enough. One knot. So this is our rub. What we've got in there, I've not done too much because it's not big, and I don't want loads of this left afterwards. But so it's a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of paprika. You can have a little bit more than that if you want. You can use smoked or unsmoked, it doesn't matter. I believe that's sweet paprika that I've got in there. And I've got just about nearly I'll say 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic granules in there, which I'm going to use, and that's pretty much it. So we'll put this on top, and then we'll think about getting it onto the Kamado. And this is the reason why I wanted to take off the rest of the skin that was underneath, and I wanted to take the bacon off so we can get this rub on. Turkey's great to have all the year round. I don't have it a lot. I'll probably do one of these a couple of times a year, 2 or 3 times a year, apart from Christmas. But you know, you can have this next day in sandwiches. Like I say, I'm going to do one on putting this into a curry. It makes a fantastic meat for curries. So that's it. Plenty of this on. Okay, so this is up to about 200 degrees Celsius at the moment. Burn that a little bit. There's the bacon that we've taken off the actual turkey breast itself, which the butcher had put on it. So I'm just cooking that on the side there. So that's just cooking away there. I'll move that round a little bit. We'll get that nice and crispy. So that's cooking there. So what we're going to do now is get our bit of turkey breast on. So there she is. Put that there. Now I'm smoking this with some applewood today, so that will give it a nice little taste to it. So let's close that down now and carry on cooking it. Probe it with this, yeah, 171, 172, so that is cooked. So I'm happy with that. So we're going to take that off and rest it now, and then we'll give it a cut and just see what we've got.